Hey, I just wanted to make a video today showing you how to fix a Tahoe hybrid. Mine's a '08 model Tahoe hybrid. And I was having an issue at stops where I would stall out when it was going from a hybrid mode to a gas mode or ICE. It would just stall out. So I did a lot of research and I finally found the solution. And what it is it's called the TCM, I believe, but it's this unit down here, this box you see. You got to take it out. It's this connector and this one right here are the two wire looms that come off of it. So I just ordered it online, about $150 part, but they only sell this part for the newer model Tahoes, which have a different connector style. So what you need to do is whenever you order it, I'll pull out the old one here. Whenever you order it, here's my old unit, exact same unit, but the harness that came with this unit looked like this. This is one of them right here. And here's the other one. So these were the harnesses that came on the new box that you see installed. So what I had to do is off the old unit, I had to actually cut off the original harness. All the wires match and are the exact same. But I had to cut off the old harness and cut the new harness off the new unit and put the old harness so it would plug in and work. And so far it's been 2 weeks and this has been the fix for me. It hasn't stalled since. No check engine lights or nothing. Whenever I did do it, I did take out the battery while I did replace this part. For soldering it, it only took me about an extra maybe 15-20 minutes. One of the ground wires in here is actually grounded to the copper in the loom here, so you want to make sure when you do solder it you have a good connection with the copper. Try to pull that copper sleeve back up as much so this wire right here will stay grounded. But besides that, that will fix your stalling issue in most cases. I forget the exact codes, but I'll put them in the title and description, the codes my engine was throwing. But everywhere I looked, they said the only way to fix it was a new hybrid battery, which is like $2,500. And I checked the voltage on it and my battery was fine. So that's how I eventually came to this solution. So again, it's this loom right here and this loom connect to this right underneath your battery here. And when I did this, I just moved the fuse box. You can move it over slightly. It just slides in a little tray and one plastic clip on top. It was about in total an hour-long job. So pretty easy fix, but if you have a Tahoe hybrid that's stalling at stoplights, this is how you fix it, and I'll put the part number in the description that I ordered. The only thing, like I said, is you will need to be handy with soldering or crimping wires together to get the factory loom to plug in, unless you buy the adapters, but the adapters are $50 a piece and I couldn't get the part numbers for those, so that's why I just went this route. But again, easy fix, stop my stalling. So if this helped, just give me a like and share it to anybody else who's having this issue.